Hey guys, so today is the day that I get my Moxi Beach Bunny Skates and I'm so excited, like you have no idea. Even though Hawaii is currently being locked down again, I get to go pick these skates up today and start practicing. I just needed a hobby to get outside more often, even though we can't get outside right now. Keep in mind, I ordered these skates like 5-6 months ago and I'm only getting them today because there was such a boom in roller skating sales. So when you first open the box, you get a really nice letter from Estrogen, who is the lady that owns Moxi roller skates. And you also get your beautiful skates, and it's packaged in plastic, both of your skates, just so that it doesn't rub each other and damage while shipping. But you guys, these skates are gorgeous. Like, I can't wait to skate. Oh my goodness. And it also comes with toe caps, which is awesome. I know a lot of people think it's really ugly to put this on your skate and whatnot. Like, I know it's all about aesthetics, and I mean, I'm a aesthetic person too, but I mean, to protect your skates, I would recommend just put it on there, because when you're learning and stuff like that, you really need to not damage your skates. So we can do a close-up on the wheels. So the wheel is full of glitter, and it is a gummy wheel, which is a 78A wheel. So this is perfect for outdoor skating. You always want something soft whenever you're outdoor skating. But yeah, you guys, I'm super impressed, and I can't wait to put it on and see if it fits.